Hi, are you struggling to track what's really happening on your website? Maybe you are missing conversions, events aren't firing, or your data just doesn't make sense. You are not alone. Many businesses face challenges with these things like tracking across multiple domains, handling iOS 14 updates, or figuring out where their best leads or sales are actually coming from. I can help solve all of that for you. With the right setup, you can see what your visitors are doing, what's converting, and where people are dropping off. I ensure every conversion like form submission, click, and purchase is tracked all accurately no matter if you're using Shopify, WordPress, or any custom site. I make sure the tracking fits your website perfectly. Using GA4, Google Tag Manager, Looker Studio, and server-side platforms like Step.io and Google Cloud, I turn messy data into clear and actionable insights. I am Joinal, a web analytics and conversion tracking expert, and I help businesses get clean, reliable data that actually helps them grow. My ultimate goal is to help you understand your audience, optimize your strategy, and grow your business with clarity. If you are ready to fix your tracking and truly understand your audience, let's connect. Thank you.